Hi everyone. My name is Maria, and today I want to share with you my experience with a product that transformed my life, Flexorol. If you, like me, suffer from joint and nerve pain, get frustrated with traditional medications, and are looking for a natural and effective solution, then stay with me until the end of this review. I will tell you everything you need to know about Flexorol and how it can help improve your quality of life. Since I retired as a teacher, I have always tried to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. I love walking in the park, doing light yoga, and especially playing with my grandchildren. However, in recent years, I started to feel joint pain, especially in my knees and back. These pains prevented me from doing the things I love and began to affect my daily life. I went to the doctor several times and always received the same prescription: painkillers and anti-inflammatories. Although these medications provided some temporary relief, the side effects were inevitable. I began to experience stomach discomfort and worried about the long-term impact of these drugs on my body. I knew I needed a different solution, something more natural and safe. It was then that, while researching online, I found information about Flexorol. I saw many positive comments and decided to give it a try. What caught my attention the most was the fact that it is a completely natural supplement, with no chemical composition. This was exactly what I was looking for. When I started using Flexorol, I admit I was a bit skeptical. After all, I had tried so many things without success. But I was impressed within the first few weeks. Flexorol is composed of natural ingredients, such as plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, and proteins. These components work together to relieve joint and nerve pain, providing quick and effective relief. I noticed a significant difference in my mobility and flexibility. The pain in my knees decreased considerably, and I was able to resume my daily walks without discomfort. Additionally, the back pain that bothered me so much became much milder. I felt an overall improvement in my well-being and quality of life. The most amazing thing about Flexorol is that it does not just treat one specific area, but all the pain I was feeling. And the best part, it addresses the root of the problem, treating it from the inside out. I felt that my body was truly recovering, not just masking the symptoms. Another great advantage is that, being completely natural, I had no side effects. This was a huge relief, as I was tired of the problems caused by conventional medications. Knowing that I could take Flexorol without worries was one of the main reasons that kept me continuing the treatment. I followed the recommendation to take the supplement every day without fail, and I noticed continuous improvement. In 3 months, I felt a complete transformation in my body. I decided to extend the treatment to 6 months as suggested, and the results were even better. I felt rejuvenated and full of energy. If you are watching this review and identified with my story, I highly recommend you try Flexorol. This natural supplement can truly make a difference in your life, just as it did in mine. It is a safe and effective option for those seeking relief from joint and nerve pain without the risks associated with chemical medications. And the best part, Flexorol offers a money-back guarantee. That's right. If you don't like the product or don't see the expected results, just contact the support team and request a refund. You have nothing to lose. Remember to buy Flexorol only from the official website. This ensures that you will receive the original product and can enjoy all the benefits. Don't let joint and nerve pain limit your life. Try Flexorol and discover how you can live pain-free and with a better quality of life. I did, and I don't regret it. Now I can go back to doing all the activities I love, without fear and discomfort. Click the link below and start your journey to a better life today. You deserve it. I hope my review has helped and clarified your doubts about Flexorol. If you decide to try it, I hope you have as much success as I did. Good luck and health to all of us. This is my story with Flexorol. I hope it inspires you to make the decision that can change your life. Until next time,